Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to follow FIFA World Cup 2026 scores on iPhone. So, on an iPhone, the easiest way to follow FIFA World Cup 2026 scores is to use the official FIFA app and enable live notifications. So, you can download it from Apple's App Store. So, go to App Store and download FIFA World Cup 2026. So, once installed, go ahead and open it. Then from here, you can allow notifications when prompted. You can enable alerts for goals, kickoffs, halftime, and full time result. Now, at the bottom, select tournament. So, the official FIFA World Cup 2026 app provides live scores, you have match schedules, you have standings or team standings, you have lineups and match statistics, and real time match updates and alerts. So, whether you're following every match or just keeping an eye on your favorite team, setting up live score notifications on your iPhone ensures you won't miss any of the action. So, with real time updates, match alerts, and detailed statistics at your fingertips, staying connected to the FIFA World Cup 2026 is easier than ever. Then from here, you can also select your favorite teams. Just go to Overview, scroll down, and click Add Team to add your favorite team. Then click on Confirm, and that's it.